South Korean defense firms Hanwha Defense and Hyundai Rotem have rolled out their new K9 Thunder self-propelled howitzers and K2 Black Panther main battle tanks for Poland. An initial batch of 24 K9 howitzers and 10 K2 Black Panther tanks were rolled out on October 19 to be sent to Poland as part of the first executive contract signed in mid-August. During the event at Hanwha Defense's Factory 1 in Changwon, all the 24 K9PL vehicles were lined up on the site, while K9PL led the parade of advanced combat vehicles, built by Hanwha Defense, including K10 Ammunition Resupply Vehicle, K77 Fire Direction Center Vehicle, K21 Infantry Fighting Vehicle, Korean Amphibious Assault Vehicle, and Ariane Smet Unmanned Ground Vehicle. On top of these ground vehicles, Hanwha's guided missiles and aerospace engines were on display, showcasing the company's wider range of defense capabilities through the upcoming merger of defense and aerospace affiliates of Hanwha Group. Today's rollout of K9PL self-propelled howitzers represents our firm commitment to satisfying the needs of Poland, said Lee Boo-hwan, Executive Vice President of Hanwha Defense's Overseas Business Division. We are very confident about our strong production capacity to deliver best quality products on time. Hyundai Rotem organized an official ceremony at its factory in Changwon, some 300 kilometers southeast of Seoul. The remaining 170 tanks will be delivered over the next 3 years. We will put forth great efforts to provide our K2 tanks to Poland in a stable way, a Hyundai Rotem official said. Poland intends to acquire 672 K9 howitzers and 1,000 K2 battle tanks developed by South Korean companies.